If you like vintage outdoor gear, you may like this. It's a Rayovac Sportsman premium model from the 1960s. It's a pretty cool flashlight. It's got this chrome exterior. Has a good weight to it. Feels vintage, feels cool. Came with some batteries, but not very bright. So I'm going to show you how to do an LED upgrade with some rechargeable batteries to make this a little bit more modern, have longer battery life. Believe it or not, I bought this at a thrift store. They had it marked for $3, but it was 40% off, so it was like $1.60 or something like that, which is pretty good for a premium model like this. You can still get parts for it, like replacement lights. You can get LED, or if you like the yellow color, you can get a light that's about 3 times brighter than the one that it came with, and I'll put links to those in the description, as well as these replacement batteries. Now it takes 2C batteries, but you can get these adapters that will hold a AA battery, and it makes it less weight, and you'll get a longer life, and plus you can recharge them because C batteries are expensive. So to get to everything, you just unscrew this top. You can also unscrew the bottom to get to the batteries, but everything can be accessed through the top. You unscrew this plastic bit that holds the bulb. Any bulb with this bayonet style P13.55 base will work. Here's an LED version. You'll want to make sure you don't get one that's too powerful because it could melt the plastic or possibly even damage the lens. You can get new lenses. I'll put a link for that in the bottom too, a glass lens. And you've got an upgraded 1965 Sportsman flashlight ready to use.